I am Nuruddin Ahmed. Welcome to our Facebook page and YouTube channel Born in Soil. Today I solve a new problem which is come from set theory and another problem which is come from our differential equation. So this is the question number 89. The question is, let a equal to second bracket x belongs to R. X is not a positive integer. Define a function f such that a to R as fx is equal to 2x by x minus 1. Then f is number A is injective nor subjective, B not injective, C subjective but not injective, D neither injective nor subjective. How to solve this problem? First we consider two set, this and this. This is called domain and this is called codomain set. This is A which is defined x belongs to R, but x is not a positive integer, whose set is A, and this set is R, which is the set of real number. First we take two number, this set, domain set. If we take two distinct elements in this set, we get their different images in the codomain set. Then we say that f is injective. Again, we choose an element y in the codomain set R, and this element gives a p-image in the set domain. Then we say that f is surjective. First we check this is injective or not. So let us take two distinct elements. Let us take two distinct elements in the domain set A. Say this is x1 and x2, where x1 not equal to x2. That means x1 minus x2 not equal to 0. So this is the set A and this is the set of real number x1 and x2. We choose two different distinct elements in the set A. So here f of x1 minus f of x2. F of x1 means 2x1 by x1 minus 1 minus 2x2 by x2 minus 1. We now simplify to get 2 into x2 minus x1 by x1 minus 1 into x2 minus 1. Here is see that x minus x1 not equal to 0, that means this value not equal to 0. And again this term x minus 1 not equal to 0 and x2 minus 1 this is not equal to 0 because x is not a positive integer. So here you cannot take x1 x2 any positive integer such that x is only equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, which is not taken here. So this value not equal to 0. This value not equal to 0, that means f of x1 not equal to f of x2. So we get this element has a p-image f of x1, image f of x1, and this is f of x2. So here we take two distinct elements x1 and x2 which is not equal to this. So this not equal to this. So we can say that f is injective. F is injective mapping on A to R. Again we take an arbitrary element, y in the codomain set. So y equal to f of x, which equal to 2x by x minus 1. xy minus y equal to 2x. So x is equal to y by y minus 2. So we take arbitrary element y in the codomain set y. Suppose we get this element has a pre-image in the domain set A, then we say that f is surjective. But we see that this is equal to y minus 2. If we take y equal to 2 in the codomain set R, which is does not belongs to this set, so we can say that f is not surjective. So finally we get f is injective but not surjective. So which is correct? Injective but not surjective. So A is the right answer. And the next problem,